Okay, alphabetic pair number 2. Listen carefully, okay? Mandy Mole peeked from his burrow. So I'll give you a picture description, okay? So Mandy Mole is coming outside from his burrow. You can see his head part on the burrow, is it? So he's coming outside the burrow, little only. His head is out of. You can see in the part of upper part of the burrow. You can see the head of the Molly. So he's come outside of the burrow. Whose egg is this? Owl is asking to Molly, whose egg is this? Maybe it's mine. Maybe it is mine. So the Monty Mole telling that sometimes that egg is mine. Sometimes that egg is my egg. Silly Mandy moles don't lay eggs. Hey, you are foolish mole. You don't know you won't lay eggs. Oh, you are right, Oli. So I suppose it cannot be my egg. Oh, whatever is you told that is correct, only owl, Oli. So it's supposed to be someone's egg. So Monty was telling that it's supposed to be someone's egg. Next picture. Tammy Todd heard Ollie's question from a rock in the pond and hopped over. Tammy Todd heard Ollie's question from a rock in the pond and hopped over. Todd is a baby of frog. It's a small baby of frog. Small frog you can call as Todd. Okay. So Tammy name is Tammy. Todd name is Tammy. I heard this Ollie's question. Ollie is asking everyone whose egg is this. Is it? Ollie is asking everyone whose egg is this. So Ollie's question from a rock in the pond and hopped over. You can see he was sitting in the rock near the pond, rock in the pond, and he's jumping. He's come by jumping. Hop means jumping. Frog will jump now? Yes. Small frog name is Todd. By sitting in the rock in the pond, he heard our owl's question. Owl is asking, whose egg is this? So he is come by jumping near to our owl. Whose egg is this? Ooh! Owl is asking, whose egg is this? Ooh! Ooh is the sound made by our owl. Then he is asking, whose egg is this? Toads lay eggs. This egg could belong to me. We frog will lay eggs. So this egg will belong to me. So this egg might be mine. This egg might be our frog. So this egg might be a toad's. Tammy, it is true that toads lay eggs, but this is not your egg. Toad eggs are tiny. This egg is large. It is not your egg. Okay? Tammy, whatever you told is correct only. Frog will lay eggs. But your eggs will be small. This is a very large egg. So this egg is not yours. Okay? You are right. As usual, Ollie, this is not my egg. Yes, whatever correct you tell, every time you tell what that's correct only. So like that way, this time also you told the thing is correct. So this is not my egg. Okay, this is not my egg. Next. Barry Badger was wandering through the forest. He was looking for eggs. He was hungry. Barry Badger. Okay, a small animal with grey and white fur. It is a nocturnal animal. It stays awake at night. This animal is Barry Badger. Badger is a type of animal which color is grey and white fur. Fur means its feather is always white and grey color type. Not fur means skin type. It's a feather like skin. No, the animal is having. The color is grey and white. Nocturnal animal means animals will not sleep at night. They won't sleep at night. That type of animal is called a nocturnal. They will awake at night. Okay, at night they won't sleep. They will awake. Okay, so that type of animal is called badger, and his name is Barry. Okay, Barry Badger was wandering through the forest. Wandering means going here and there in the forest. Okay, wandering there in the forest. He was looking for eggs. He was searching for eggs because he was hungry. He wanted to eat the eggs. He was hungry, so he wanted eggs to eat. I love eggs. I was looking for dinner. This is my egg and I am going to eat it right now. I love eggs. I was looking for dinner. This is my egg and I am going to eat it right now. And the bad guy is saying that, I love eggs. I love eggs. I will take this egg for my dinner food. I am very hungry right now, so I am taking this egg for my dinner. So that's the things we are going to study right today only. Okay, so we study two words, bad girl and wandering. New words, bad girl, wandering. Bad girl, wandering. Bad girl means a small animal with a grey and white fur. It is a nocturnal animal which stays awake at night. A small animal with grey and white fur. It is a nocturnal animal. Nocturnal means animal they won't sleep at night. They will awake. They won't sleep. They will walk here and there in the night. Okay. Wandering means walking without hurry and without a plan. Simply walking here and there is wandering. Okay. Wandering is walking simply without any reason. That is wandering. So these are the two words which is not familiar to you. And what is sound of a owl? Ooh, that is sound of a owl. And when owl is sleeping on the tree, he heard a sound that he saw. He saw a egg down, and he came down near to the egg, and he asked whose egg is this. By hearing this, our Monty Mole come outside his burrow, and he told that sometimes that egg is mine. That egg belongs to Molly. But our owl told Molly that you won't lay eggs now. Then how it is yours? Oh, whatever things you told is correct only. So it is not my egg. So this was the audience asking was heard by our Todd, Tammy Todd, who was sitting in the rock in the pond. He come by jumping. I tell that we frog will lay eggs now. We Todd will lay eggs now. So that eggs belongs to me. So the audience all told that or Toddy, our Oli owl is telling to our Todd that it is correct only you told the frog will lay eggs, but it's very small egg only you will lay. This is very big egg. It is not yours. So why after these three persons are talking there, Molly Maud, Monty Mall, Tammy Todd, and Ollie Owl are talking there. At that time, our Barry Badger that came over there. He was an animal. He won't sleep at night. He used to walk simply here and there at night also, and is searching for food, for egg, because he was very hungry. And is telling to Todd, Owl, and Molly that he will take this egg for the dinner because he was very hungry, and is telling that I will take it right. I will write it now. Okay. So what will happen? We can see in the next class. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day. Please go through the chapter. Okay. Please go through the chapter and read the chapter 3 times before the Google Meet class. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.